Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the world of effortless cooking with the Hamilton Beach 4-quart slow cooker. A compact yet spacious kitchen companion that makes preparing delicious one-pot meals a breeze. With its ability to hold up to a 4-pound chicken or 2 2-pound roasts, this slow cooker is perfect for serving 4 or more people, making it ideal for family dinners or small gatherings. Featuring 3 cooking settings, you can easily switch between low, high, and warm to maintain the perfect temperature for your meals until you're ready to serve. Its versatility shines as you can whip up anything from savory meatballs and creamy macaroni and cheese to delightful fruit cobblers and cakes. Cleanup is a snap with the dishwasher-safe, removable stoneware crock and glass lid, which can also be used in the oven or microwave for added convenience. The brushed gray finish adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen, making this slow cooker not just a practical tool but also a stylish addition to your countertop. So, whether you're a busy professional or a home chef, the Hamilton Beach 4-quart slow cooker is your ticket to easy, delicious meals with minimal effort. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.